unfortunate. That is, I condemn that to the highest order. Injega moizeke kurunyamira nyamemiso.
Yes.
Okugamba ngumbu. Nanengugamba kweli kweli. Why
Yes.
can't our women lead? You know, that mentality of a woman cannot think. You know, women are the best leaders, by the way, because they don't come in with just strategy. Because you men are wired in one way, right? But we women, we bring in other things that are so important in leadership. That is empathy, that is compassion, that is that the real issues that are going on in your home to the table, so that when bills are being created, you are saying again that will not even work, because this is the reality on the ground, right?
Yes.
And so to sit here more and say no, women can only vie for a certain seat, even that seat men needs to run for it too. It's unfortunate. It continues to perpetrate these stereotypes that women cannot lead when we are already leading. It's just that we don't have the titles. That is it.
All right.
That is it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So lastly, what do we expect next for Huldah? Are we going to see the next Obama?
The next Obama
in America.
Right now in Minnesota, I go to the tuta. Ngate na mo gote baga. Je Minnesota.
Yes.
Kenya.
Yes.
You need to decide whether it's whatever it is, right? But for me, to be honest, in Kenya, in America, I'm running for my second term.
Okay.
And so my goal is to focus on my constituency back in Minnesota.
Yes.
And to continue doing the good job that I've done. Me, I have no shame in saying that I have produced. As a first-time legislator, when I went in there, you're a freshman legislator. You know, don't expect to do much. But my friend, I authored 29 bills. And out of those 29 bills, a couple of them, about four of them passed. Out of 4,000 bills that I introduced, my friend, these 2 years, some of my bills went in. One of them was $40 million to a program that helps families staying housed. Homelessness. $40 million that I championed to go into that. And then another 7.5 for my community center in my city. You know, so me, I'm my goal right now, my focus is the Minnesota people that elected me in. And then we'll see what God leads.